Imagine this. You're in a conversation. Someone says, with inflation rising and my portfolio diversification strategy, and you just sit there like, ah, yes, inflation, very inflational. You nod. You hope no one asks a follow-up question. We've all been there. Money conversations feel like everyone else got the manual, and you got the glossary with half the pages missing. So today, we're fixing that. 5 money terms you've definitely heard, probably used. And the last one, it's the one secretly draining your bank account. 1. Inflation. Inflation is when prices go up over time. Simple. If your favorite meal cost $10 last year and now it's $12, that's inflation. Think of it like your money going to the gym. But instead of getting stronger, it's getting weaker. Same $100, less stuff. If your income isn't rising faster than inflation, you're working harder just to stay in the same place. That's why just saving isn't always enough. 2. Net worth. Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. It's your financial scoreboard. You own $15,000 in assets and owe $10,000 in debt. Net worth? $5,000. 2 people can make the same salary. But one builds net worth and the other builds payments. Income is what you earn. Net worth is what you keep. 3. Equity. Equity is ownership. If your house is worth $300,000 and you owe $250,000, you don't own the house. You own $50,000 of it. The bank owns the rest. Equity is your slice of the pie. The goal isn't just to buy things, it's to increase your slice over time, because ownership builds wealth. Payments build stress. 4. Diversification. Diversification means not betting everything on one thing. If all your money is in one investment and it drops 40%, your heart rate also drops 40%. Instead, you spread risk across different investments. Think of it like not trusting one friend to hold your entire life savings. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it keeps one mistake from becoming a disaster. And in investing, survival is underrated. 5. Opportunity cost. This one changes how you see every purchase. Opportunity cost is what you give up when you choose something else. Spend $300 on a weekend trip. Cool. But what could that $300 have become if invested for 15 years? At 8% growth, that's nearly $1,000. So the trip didn't cost $300. It cost future you $1,000. Every dollar has a future version of itself, and most people spend it before they ever meet it. That's the real cost no one talks about. Here's what's powerful about all this. Once you understand these terms, money stops feeling mysterious. You stop nodding in fake agreement. You stop making accidental decisions. You start thinking long-term, and that's when things change. Not when you earn more, but when you understand more. If this clarified even one concept for you, subscribe. Because financial intelligence isn't about sounding smart in conversations. It's about making decisions your future self will thank you for.